Hi everyone, today's video is about AI prompt engineer job with invisible technologies, and here you will be working remotely from anywhere, and no matter what is your current location you can apply for the job because this is the global or worldwide job. This is worldwide opportunity, and the profile's name is senior prompt engineer. The compensation rate is $1,35,000 per annum, and the job requires you to write AI related prompts and evaluate them. Here is the job details. So Invisible is mainly in the operations innovation company. Here is about the role. So as a senior prompt engineer, you will design, refine, and implement AI prompts that optimize the performance of state-of-the-art large language models, ensuring seamless human AI collaboration. And you will collaborate closely with AI researchers, developers, operations, and implementation teams to deliver effective and reliable AI-driven solutions. And this role is crucial in enhancing the company's core automation capabilities and delivering AI-driven results at scale. So this was about the role, and now let's check out about the skills and the qualifications that the company is looking for. So here they have mentioned that you should have prior experience working with or for major tech companies on AI projects, and you should have knowledge of reinforcement learning, human AI feedback loops, or similar AI training methodologies. And you should be familiar with APIs and software integrations for AI applications. You should have contributed to open source AI projects or relevant technical publications. You should be familiar with AI ethics and developing responsible AI systems. You should have knowledge of software design patterns and best practices in AI development. And the company is looking for someone with a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, linguistic, data science, AI, or a related field. So if you have qualification in these areas, you can apply. You can check out the role. Now the candidate should have 5+ years of experience in NLP, AI, or machine learning with a focus on prompt engineering or model fine tuning. And they are looking for someone who have experience with Python, R, or other programming languages used for machine learning and AI workflows. So you should be familiar with data science tools and working with large data sets. You should have proven track record of developing and optimizing prompts to solve complex problems or drive business automation. You should have excellent analytical skills with the ability to interpret model outputs and uh, iterate on iterate on prompt designs. You should have strong communications and collaboration skills with the ability to work in cross-functional teams. You should be proactive problem-solving mindset and the ability to work independently and adapt to a fast-paced, evolving environment. Now let's check out the job responsibilities that you can expect while working as a senior prompt engineer. So as a senior prompt engineer, you will be required to write and implement prompts for enterprise solutions. You need to evaluate prompt outputs at scale. You will be working with engineering staff to develop LLM applications. You need to discover effective, novel prompting techniques. You need to participate in the development of internal prompt engineering tools. You need to keep up to date with LLM news and prompt engineering techniques. And now here's the compensation. So the base pay rate is 1,35,000 per annum for senior prompt engineer job. And so here they have written that this is the expected annual base salary range for this role and subject to change. You can expect compensation around this. Here are the country hiring guidelines. So Invisible hires new team members in countries around the world, and all of our roles are remote. However, some roles may carry specific location-based eligible requirements. Our talent acquisition teams can help answer any questions about location after starting the recruiting process. So you can check out the role. This senior prompt engineer role is a worldwide opportunity, and you can check out the details. And here they have disclosed that they are equal opportunity employer, and so yeah, and So if you're interested, you can check out all the details. You can fill up the application form by providing your name, email ID, phone number, and then attach your resume, cover letter, and then provide your LinkedIn profile's link, and select your country where you reside. So here are all the countries listed. You can choose, and if you are based in the US, please confirm in which state you will reside and work. Select any if you are based outside the US. And will you will you now or in future require invisible to commence an immigration case in order to employ you? For example, H-1B or other employment-based immigration case. This is sometimes called a sponsorship for an employment-based visa status. Now and then, how did you learn about this opportunity? So you can provide here, and this is a simple application form. You can fill up the application form and then submit. So if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, go ahead and check out all the details. All the details are listed here. You can check out the company's website as well. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position of senior prompt engineer, you can check out all the details and go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.